All right, long awaited video. Which ICT playlist to watch and how to go through this properly. All right, so I'm gonna give you guys a full breakdown on what to do. I see so many people always commenting, always giving me these questions. First things first, trading is not easy. Trading will not get you rich quick. It is not a get rich quick scheme at all. It takes time, takes hard work, takes dedication. You have to put blood, sweat, and tears into this. I promise you. And then you will find success. So let's go through this real quick. What mentorships have I watched? Which ones do I recommend? Which ones are like the nitty gritty? Which ones are you gonna waste time? Like, all right, first things first. Don't watch any of these old mentorships. If I'm being truly honest, don't watch any of them. Probably the micro market structure, time and price concept series, but thinking that you have to watch more and more and more, you're gonna learn more and more and more, and like there's some secret sauce, some holy grail out there. You're only gonna lead yourself like down a rabbit hole where you start to spiral. You don't know which concept to use. You don't know how to use the concepts properly because he said one thing here and then he said another thing there. So don't do that. Don't try to watch every single. I did this, bro. I did this. I've been here. I wouldn't recommend it. You can watch this playlist right here, the micro. This one right here, micro series, market structure, not bad. Two videos, nice, calm. Um, but if you're completely new to trading and you don't even know what a candlestick is, I would recommend core content month one. Just regular, like basically the core content months, 1 through 12. But if you want to go down like an easier approach, again, always will say this to TGR bootcamp, even though he has some form of skepticism. um if we go to TGR, and look him up real quick. Let me make sure I'm not, all right, I just had to double check, make sure I don't got nothing, sketchy on there, but nah, I'm just playing. Again, TGR's bootcamp, the first one, always will be, like A plus. It will always be A plus no matter what, because it's so basic, it's so simple. If you don't know what a candlestick is, you don't even know like what markets you're trading, go to TGR's bootcamp, bro. Go to TGR's bootcamp. It's not complicated at all. Just go to TGR's bootcamp. Don't even complicate it. Don't even complicate yourself here. Um, and yeah, just watch it, learn, and then eventually, once you're done with that, of course, once you're done with that, you know what a candlestick is. You know what markets, how to, how to do all this and that. Go to the 22 mentorship, bro. Go to the 2022 mentorship and watch that. And then I would recommend the 23 mentorship, and that's really it, bro. That's really it. Make sure you're taking notes. Make sure you're on Notion. You take notes. If not, get a pen and paper, a journal, write down, and show examples too. Go to chart examples, draw them out, bro. Literally draw them out. Put in the work, bro. The 2022 mentorship is really, really good. It shows you his 22 model, which is, like a liquidity sweep, break market structure, fair value gap, entry, boom. And then the 23 shows you so many different entry models. It shows you like him entering off of a breaker, the inversion, OTE, so many. It shows you the 22 model. It shows you like the Reaper fair value gap, which is, I don't even use that if I'm being real. But he shows you like consequent encroachment of the wicks. Shows you like so many more advanced concepts, silver bullet, the one set up for life, just so much, bro. And just this mentorship right here, the 2023 mentorship, by far the best one. The 2022 one is really, really good, but the 2023 one, it has 2 million views, bro. These 2 million, then it goes to 300K. What? That's crazy. This has 4 million, 3 million, 2 million. These had millions of views, bro. It's the real deal. This thing works. Promise you, it works. I've firsthand proven it works. But then, after that, really, I haven't watched the 24 mentorship. I'm still watching it. Same thing with the 2025 and 2026 lectures. I'm still watching them. I'm still taking notes. But that's really it, bro. If you just want to watch these two with the TGR bootcamp, 1, 2, 3. If not, then watch the core content month. Watch all these core content months. Even then, these core content months, 1 through 12 are really good. But I would honestly recommend 1 through 10. If not 1 through 9, you don't really have to watch these two right here. If I'm being really honest, he just goes over concepts that he doesn't use anymore. Maybe he does, maybe he doesn't. I don't know, but I feel like 1 through like 10 is the sweet spot. Don't want you wasting your time, this and that. But you can see these only have 4 videos. You're really not gonna learn anything. But yeah, 1 through 10 or 1 through 10, really, really nice, sweet concepts. And yeah, that's basically really it. I would recommend either if you want to go down the hard path, watch ICT core content month 1 through 10, 22, and then 23, and then you're done. Or watch TJR's bootcamp, the 22, and then the 23. And it's simple as that. And that's basically the approach that I did. And that's, I still review those notes till this day. I still review the 2022 mentorship notes and the 2023 mentorship notes. And I'm still watching, the 2025 lecture series and the 2026 lecture series, trying to, regurgitate that information into the back of my mind. That's really it. 5 minutes. And yeah.